Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out or log out from your account on the KuCoin app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KuCoin application on your device. And if you have not logged out from the application, you will directly be taken into the homepage. Now, if you wish to log out, just tap on the user ID at the top left corner. Now tap on the settings option from this page and then scroll all the way down and you will see the logout button. Go ahead and tap on this and you will be asked if you are sure that you want to log out. Tap on the confirm option and now you will be logged out from your KuCoin account right away. If you wish to log back in, you can tap on the account icon and then tap on login to proceed forward with your credentials once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign out from your account on the KuCoin application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.